Hello everyone, welcome back to Victor Shamaki. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up or slow down clips in Premiere Pro. Whether you want a dramatic slow motion or a fast time-lapse effect, I'll walk you through it. So at the end of this video, you will be able to know how to speed up or slow down a clip on Premiere Pro. So I have this clip I cut off from a music video by Destiny and Daniela. I just wanted to use it for illustration. I tried looking for a clip to use, but I didn't find any. So though this is already a final video which has all of those things, but I believe we could be able to use it. So if you play this clip, you will see that it's a bit slow and all of that. So but we want to use the example here. I want to slow it. I want to increase the speed. So if I want to slow the entire of this clip, maybe I'll just right click and I'm going to go and look for speed and duration. So if I want the speed to increase, let's say by double, I'll just say 200 and then I'll click enter. Now you will see that you won't really see the sense in it. Now if I want the clip to be very fast, for example, you use this mostly for us that do tutorials. Use it mostly when, let's say, you are maybe trying to remove backgrounds from image, you try to do one or two things and you don't want the steps. Maybe the steps takes you like 30 minutes and you want to summarize the time after you finish the first lap. You now use this speed up. You can use up to 1,000 speed to just make sure you summarize that place so that you just see things just move on. So that's one of the practical examples for this. Alright, so if I want it to be increased so much, I'll just go and say 400. You will see that this will decrease. But mind you, one more thing that you need to be very careful while you're doing that, you see under this time interpolation, make sure that it's at optical flow because that will allow it to go well. So you can see how fast it's going, right? And now if we want to decrease it, we just right click and we decrease this time to, let's say, 25 for example, and then we'll click on OK. You will see that the length of the video will drastically increase. You can see. So by the time we play, you see that the video is making as if it's not moving. So this is how to increase or decrease a clip. Now one more thing I want to show you. Let's return it to 100 first. Alright, so let's put it on 100, which is the... Alright, let's return it back to where it was before, right? So this is where it was. Alright, now it's not really playing because it has we've not render it, that's why. So let's say I want the video to play normal speed, then it reach a certain speed, I want it to slow down and I want it to go back to normal speed, so I made a 3 cut, right? So let's say the middle should slow down, right? So I'm going to draw the last clip by the side. Now I will right click on this and do it here, but I want to do something else. Just press R on your keyboard and you see to activate this rate sketch. So this rate scale will determine how far you want it to go and how far you want it to go. Yes, how far you want it to go, how slow do you want it to become, or how fast do you want it to come. So if you bring it back, it's saying how fast do you want it to become. If you take it low, so you can stretch it to the way you want it. Now if we play this now, you will see that the first side of the clip will go normal speed, then you see this one will as if it froze and it continues in that slow motion, then it goes to the normal speed. Alright, so this is how you can speed up or slow down your speed. So I have a video on the speed ramp which will explain more of what this will be. So that will be coming in our next video. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned, and that's it from me today. I will see you in the next video.